Welcome to my Indian Astrology. Today we will discuss about alternative Lagnas. Today we will discuss about Bhava Lagna, Ghati Lagna, Vighati Lagna, Arudha Lagna, Upapada Lagna, Karakamsha Lagna and Swamsha Lagna. Sum and sign timing. 1 Ghati equal to 24 minutes. 2.5 Ghati equal to 1 hora or 60 minutes. 1 Vighati equal to 24 seconds. 60 Vighati equal to 1 Ghati. 60 Lipta equal to 1 Vighati. 60 Vilipta equal to 1 Lipta. To calculate the Bhava Lagna, first calculate the time of birth in minutes from sunrise. Divide the time by 120 minutes. Add the quotient into longitude of sun. Result is Bhava Lagna. Let's take an example. Date of birth 15 October, time 1:11 am. Sunrise 5:40 am on 14th October. Time difference 1171 minute. Let's say this as A. Now divide that A by 120 minute. Result is 9.75. Take this 9 as sine, and from 0.75 we get 22 as degrees and 30 as minutes. Add this 9 sine and 22 degree 30 minutes into sun's longitude. Let's say sun is in 27 degree 34 minute Virgo, that is 6 sine. Then we have to add 5 plus 9. Don't add 6. People make mistakes here. And we get 2 sine. And from addition of 2 degrees, we get 1 sine 20 degree 4 minutes. Total result is 3 sine 20 degree 4 minutes. That means Cancer 20 degree 4 minutes is the Bhava Lagna. Now Ghati Lagna. First calculate the time of birth in minutes from sunrise. Divide the time by 24 minutes. Add the quotient into longitude of sun. Result is Ghati Lagna. We take the same example here and result is 1171 minutes. Now divide that minutes by 24 minutes and we get 48.79. Take this 48 as sine, and from 79 we get 23 degrees and 42 minutes. Add this 48 sines and 23 degree 42 minutes into sun's longitude and we get 6 sine 21 degree 12 minutes. That means Libra 21 degree 12 minutes is the Ghati Lagna. Now Vighati Lagna. Calculation is same. Calculate the time of birth in seconds from sunrise. Divide the time by 24 seconds. Add the quotient into longitude of sun. Result is Vighati Lagna. Now here we calculate the time difference in seconds and we get 70,260 seconds. Now divide that by 24 seconds and we get 2927.5. Take this 2927 as sine and from 0.5 we get 15 degrees. And we add this sine and 15 degrees into sun's longitude. By adding this, we get 5 sine 12 degree and 34 minutes. So Virgo 12 degree 34 minutes is the Vighati Lagna. Now Arudha Lagna. To calculate the Arudha Lagna, first calculate how many houses Lagna Lord has moved away from Lagna. In this example chart, Lagna is the Cancer. So Lagna Lord is Moon. From Lagna, Moon placed in 9th house. Okay. Now step 2. Count so many houses from where Lagna Lord placed. House arrived is the Arudha Lagna. So here, Moon placed in 9th house. Then we count 9th from 9th house, that is 5th house. So here 5th house is Scorpio. So Scorpio is the Arudha Lagna for this native. Exceptions of Arudha Lagna. Exception 1. If Lagna Lord placed in the Lagna, then 10th house will be the Arudha Lagna. Exception 2. If Lagna Lord placed in the 7th house, then 4th house will be the Arudha Lagna. I want to mention here some great astrologers like K.N. Rao did not take these exceptions. Upapada Lagna. Upapada Lagna is the Arudha Pada of 12th house. So calculation are same as Arudha Lagna. First calculate how many houses 12th Lord has moved away from 12th house. Here 12th house is Gemini, Lord is Mercury. From Gemini, Mercury has placed in 5th position, that means 4th house. Now count so many houses from where 12th Lord placed. So we calculate 5th from Mercury, that means 5th from 4th house, that is 8th house. So here 8th house is the Upapada Lagna, that means Aquarius. Now Karakamsha Lagna. First identify the Atmakaraka. Atmakaraka is a planet with highest degree in comparison to other planets. In this example chart, although it is not showing here, but Venus has the highest degree. So Venus is the Atmakaraka here. Now locate the sign in which this Atmakaraka is placed in Navamsa chart. So in Navamsa, Venus placed in Gemini. Make this sign as Lagna in D1 chart. So in D1, Gemini is the Karakamsha Lagna. Now Swamsha Lagna. First identify the Atmakaraka, which is Venus in here. Now locate the sign in which Atmakaraka is placed in Navamsa chart. In Navamsa, Venus is in Gemini. Now make this sign as Lagna in Navamsa chart. In Navamsa, if we make Gemini as Lagna, then this is the Swamsha Lagna of this native. Unlike Karakamsha Lagna, we make the Karakamsha Lagna in D1 chart. But in Swamsha, we make this Lagna as in Navamsa chart. This is the difference. This is the end of the video. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get notified. Thank you.